Hey everybody, so we recently started a YouTube channel and decided that it was time to invest in some equipment to help us along our way and help make some better content for everyone. So I wanted to get a gimbal for holding the phone and did a bit of research, and after some extensive reading of features and reviews, I wound up settling on the iSteady Mobile by Hohem. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. So I like the features on it, and normally this would retail for $99. Now I was able to get it on a Prime Day deal for $79.20, so almost a $20 savings. So I thought we can't go wrong, and we'll see what it can do for us. Well, let's open it up and take a look. All right, I'm excited here. If I can get this package open. Okay, so it's a good solid case. I like that. It's all black and a zippered case. It has the Hohem logo across the front. It's fairly thin, which I like, so it's not too bulky. I was afraid that it might be a bit bulky. And I'm just seeing this. This is really cool. I like the fact that this case is in an all form fitted for the pieces that are inside of it. That way when you travel, things won't rattle around, you're not going to break something. So I like that. I'm impressed so far. Guess it doesn't take much, right? All right, let's take a look. Okay, we've got the user manual, and this is the quick start guide. And it also has the QR code for downloading the app. So for most of the reading that I did, most gimbals have apps that you can download to your phone, and that will provide you a lot of additional features that you can use while filming a lot of different options that your phone might not have. So I'm excited to check that out, but we will take a look at that at another time. Okay, well, let's take a look here. All right. I like the feel of that. The rubber grip is nice. It fits in the hand nicely, which I like. The back of it has a trigger where your finger goes, so that's convenient. And it has a number of controls that are all easily reachable with your thumb. Now, I'm not going to turn it on yet. I did read that you shouldn't turn it on without actually having your phone or camera in it, so I'm not going to do that yet. We'll do that another time. Okay, now this is really cool. The different access points here. This is a 3-axis handle system that helps keep the phone steady. So as you're moving around and filming, it's going to keep your phone stabilized. So as you're walking, you're not going to get that up and down you would normally get as holding your phone or camera yourself. So I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so this is the USB charging cable for the battery. Let's see, right here on the side is the port for that. And this additional port right here, this is kind of cool. So I read that the battery is big enough and strong enough inside of this gimbal that you can actually use it to charge your phone. So we've run into that many times where you have to bring other chargers with us and have situations where your phone is about to die. So if you need, you can actually attach a cord from your phone to this port and charge it directly from your gimbal, which I think is a fantastic feature. Okay, so let's close this back up, and okay, so this is just the tripod. All right, so let's see, you screw it into the bottom, and let's see here. Let me move this up, open these legs up, and okay. All right, I like that. Oops. Well, obviously you don't want to knock it, but it does seem good and sturdy, and I think once you have the weight of the phone on it as well, it doesn't take up much room. So that's nice. Yeah, I can definitely see this coming in handy. All right, well, let's close this back up, close the 3 pieces. Let's put that back in the case. So this is the Hohem iSteady mobile gimbal. Once we get a few videos under our belt with it, then we'll come back and tell you guys what we like, what we don't like, and give some additional information on it. But so far I'm impressed. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and keep on rocking.